Hooray! Welcome to Pentecost University, the University A+. We're particularly thrilled to invite you to the big lunch where Pentecost University unveils 5 unique Bachelor of Engineering programs. Yes, 5 unique Bachelor of Engineering programs. These include Bachelor of Engineering in Systems, Bachelor of Engineering in Manufacturing, Bachelor of Engineering in Electricals and Electronics, Bachelor of Engineering in Environmental, and Bachelor of Engineering in Robotics and Automation. We shall also throw more light on the Pentecost University's BSc Information Technology, BSc Industrial Software Engineering, BSc Quantity Surveying and Construction Economics, and the BSc Construction Technology and Engineering. What's more, the lunch will be graced by high-profile individuals, including captains of industry, renowned academics, policy makers, and students. We shall also be having the Honorable Minister of Education, Dr. Yao Osei Educhum. The lunch comes off on Thursday, 17th of August, 2023, right here on the Pentecost University campus. The lunch is open to all.